Hey guys, this is Grant, and I'm finally repairing this iPhone 6S. So, as you can see, what's wrong with it? Very damaged around here. It has a cracked camera lens, something's wrong with the headphone jack, cracked screen. So, what I have over here is I have spare parts from another iPhone 6S. This is like all the stuff that I need. Very nice. This casing is in very nice condition, as long as the screen and other parts, just in case I lose any. So let's get started. So a lot of this is going to be, may as well take this out first. Nothing in there. I'll put that there though. So I'm going to be putting all the parts I take out in here so I don't lose anything, and I'd have doubles as well. So I'm going to need to find a pentalobe bit. There we go. So, is it? No? Yes? Yep. Yep. It is. That's it. I think. Alright, I'm just gonna pause it and then cut to the part where it's good. Alright, the second bit was really, or both of them were really in there. So, that hurt. I don't know, I've never really used this. I think this is the way I fix it, so as to open the phone up. On the other one I wasn't so nice. Or not. Maybe use one of these. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it the not right way. This is the not right way. There we go. See if we can get into it with this. No. Nope. Right, there we go. Yeah, this has never been opened at all. I think the other one has, maybe. Maybe for some type of replacement. Come on. What the heck? Alright. Ooh, hopefully that didn't damage the screen. Looks fine. Since now we're in, I'm gonna snap and see what happens. Alright, so I have I wanted to make sure the screen still works. It does, so let's get started. See you when I have the board out, I guess. Alright, so here it is. This is the iPhone 6S. As you can see, this is the original screen. Not the original, but the other screen. I ended up cracking it. What ended up happening was there is a little thing there where I can show you here and wherever the other screen is too. So it's over here. It is. Right, so what I didn't see was this right here. So I was trying to put this like this, and I pushed down too hard, and this like really cracked bad. So what I did was put this over it. It also cracked down here. It gave it some dead pixels, which is very annoying. I'll probably replace the screen eventually, but it's fine. The camera now works. I think it's a little blurry though. I'm gonna have to fix that some other time. But other than that, it's fine. So this right here, I don't know what to do with it. I'm thinking of buying. I've seen some lots of these. One looks like it is iCloud unlocked, and there's two others with, I'd say, some pretty decent screens. So maybe a possibility in the future. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.